Hi, my name is David Cardenas and I'm going to explain how to do this problem. Okay, so let's start. This is a binomial cube, and well, to find it first we need the formula, which is a cubed plus 3a squared b plus c a b squared plus b cubed. So then if we substitute here, this would be a and this would be b. So if we put this into here, we would find that first, like, if we substitute into the formula, you will first find it like this, and then, well, if you have to start solving, this parenthesis would be equal to 127 x to the 6th power plus 3 9ths x4 times 9y plus x squared 9y squared 729 squared. So then after this we still have to be solving a problem, and then the final you will get this is the same. This is 3x to the 4th power y plus 81 x squared y squared plus 27 y cubed, and that is the answer. Okay, so this is the second problem, and it says write a polynomial that represents the area of a triangle with base x minus 6 and height x plus 5. So first, let's draw a triangle. So the base is x minus 6 and the height is x plus 5. So the area of any triangle is base times height divided times 2. So then if we substitute this into here, you should get x plus 5 times x minus 6 divided times 2. And then let's multiply these binomials to get to the answer. Parenthesis is x squared, 5 minus 6 is minus x, then minus 30 divided by 2, and this is your answer.
Hi, my name is Adrian Gallardo and I will show you how to do problem number 3. Okay, as you see, this is a difference of squares. So in order to solve this problem, you will have to use this formula. Okay, so we can find the square root of this. Okay, so then 25x squared will be is a squared, and 36y squared c squared will be b squared. So then in order, then we will have to put 5x minus 6xy times 5x plus 6y. So then this, according to our formula, this is what we will have as an answer. Okay, now we're gonna do problem number 4. Okay, as you can see, this is a complex fraction. So then for this, it will be better to rewrite it in this form. 2x over x squared minus 25, and you'll still put this sign. Okay. 5 plus 2 plus 5. Okay, so then in here you'll have to find the least common denominator. So then you have to use cross multiply in order to get the least common denominator. So then use 2x, x2 minus 25 divided by 3x plus 15 plus 2x minus 10. All this over x minus 5, x plus 5. Okay, so then you have, then it will be 3x plus 2x, it will be 5x, and 15 minus 10 will be plus 5. All this minus 5, x plus 5. So then you have 2x, x minus 25. So it's already in this form. So then you have to flip it in order that it will multiplicate with this one. So it's 2x, x squared minus 25, then it's times x minus 5, x plus 5, or 5x plus 5. So and here, as you can see, it is a difference of squares. So it will be 2x, x plus 5, x minus 5. And as you can see, you have the x minus 5, x plus 5. And this will be also, you can get the greatest common factor of this. So with 5 times x plus 1. So then, as you can see, these binomials are, these ones are the same as these ones. So x minus 5 cancel, and also x plus 5 cancels. So then here, our final answer will be 2x over 5 times x plus 1.
Hi, my name is Jose Alberto, and I will explain you how to solve this radical equation. Okay, so the first step is to pass this 3 to this side, subtracting it from the 17. There. Then you divide the 2 in the 14 to pass it to this side. So you have this equals to 7. Then you put a square here to eliminate the square root. And whatever you do to this side, you have to do it to this side too. So you have 49 here. Then you subtract the 6. No, you add the 6 to this side to eliminate from this side. Then you subtract the 5 to a 55 to have your final answer of 11. Okay, now for the second problem, we have a simple equation and we have to solve for W. So the first step is to pass the 21 to this side, and it passes negative. So you have P minus 21 equals to W. The next step, you pass the 2 dividing to this side, so you have P minus 21 over.
Well, this is a final problem of 11. It reads: a group of students at Prepatech made a rectangular poster whose length was 130 feet more than its width. If the perimeter of the poster was 416 feet, gives it dimensions. Well, if we just drew the poster, you know that the length and the width. So the perimeter is equal to 416 feet, which is the stage in the problem. And well, the formula is just 12 times 2W. So then we can deduce this one, which is 12 plus 2W is equal to 416, which is what the problem says. And well, the problem states that the length is equal to 130 feet more than its width. So we get this one. So there are two ways to solve this problem, by elimination or substitution. It's easier to use substitution since we have solved for L. So you just substitute this into this formula. Well, 2 times 130 plus W plus 2W is equal to 416. And then, well, we just solve the parentheses, 216, and then we just add these two W's, so we get 260 plus 4W is equal to 416. Then we pass the 260 to the other side, 4W is equal to 156. Well, you just pass the 4 dividing, and you get that W is equal to 39 feet, which is one of the two dimensions they asked for. Then in this formula, the length says it's 130 feet more than its width. So you substitute 39, and the length is 169.